This introduction gives you a practical way to use the playbook. Each problem is grounded in a real operational scenario and then solved across a set of tiers. You will not always use every tier. Instead, you select the tier that fits your data, time horizon, and the maturity of your organization. The playbook is organized into two complementary parts. Part 1 focuses on the container terminal, where decisions are physically constrained and time-critical. Part 2 broadens the lens to the full supply chain network, where strategic design and multi-year trade-offs become central. A tier is a capability level, not a single algorithm. It is a way to organize solution approaches from simpler, faster, and more transparent methods to more powerful, data-intensive, and computation-heavy methods. In each line deck, you will see a practical slice of this continuum. Across the 101 problems, tiers do not always appear in the same pattern. Some problems are best solved with a strong baseline model and a simple heuristic, while others justify advanced learning, simulation, or quantum-inspired optimization. The point is to match the method to the problem context and constraints. Most line decks follow a practical 5-tier structure. We start with the scenario to clarify the operational reality. Tier 1 is the baseline model, often an optimization formulation used for benchmarking and insight. Tier 2 is a fast heuristic suitable for repeated use. Tier 3 introduces stronger search, such as meta-heuristics. Then Tiers 4 and 5 add learning and system-level approaches when the data and infrastructure justify them. The full 12-tier continuum is the big-picture roadmap. Part 1 emphasizes operational realism and typically focuses on Tiers 1 through 9. The highest tiers, such as demand shaping, programmable matter, and biologically integrated systems, are more naturally explored in Part 2 because they extend beyond a single facility boundary. For each problem, begin with the scenario and restate the business question. Then use the Tier 1 baseline to understand what is being optimized and what must be respected. In practice, you often deploy Tier 2 methods for speed and move to Tier 3 or higher when the payoff is real. Finally, use concrete examples and visuals to sanity check that the solution matches operational reality. The playbook supports multiple reader personas. If you are a student, focus on fundamentals and implement baseline models to build intuition. If you are an operator, treat the problem list as a diagnostic menu and start with your most urgent bottlenecks. If you are an executive, use the tier framework to define a multi-year capability roadmap and to evaluate investments. The key takeaway is simple. Start with the scenario so you solve the right problem. Then treat tiers as a toolkit rather than a checklist. Across the 101 line decks, you will see different combinations of tiers, but the meaning stays consistent. Increasing capability, increasing realism, and increasing impact.